Loretta, would you get your hand off my knee? Have you heard of sexual harassment?
Yeah, that's right.
I'll take you to the Human Rights Commission.
You can't take me nowhere. I'm bigger than you.
What are you doing here in the restaurant this
Well,
time?
see, I got my card, business card from Mr. Ben Brooks.
He gave it to you?
Yeah, that's
Were you
right.
out with Mr. Ben Brooks?
I was out with Mr. Ben Brooks last night, we was here at
Let me see that card.
See, this is it. It's for,
It is
Ben Brooks.
Ben Brooks and Associates Realtors. Diversified Real Estate Investment and Services, Phoenix, Arizona.
Yeah, and see, Ben, he forgot to pay me for services, so I'm going to phone him
I see.
in Arizona.
Okay.
So, Kevin!
Hi, Lardette.
Do you
Hi there, how
you
are you?
expect him to be at
handsome
home
guy?
at this
Yeah,
time?
Sure. You pick him up the phone, push number
I've got
one.
the number. I don't know if this makes long-distance phone calls.
Do you know what time it is in Arizona?
I don't care. I want to find out what Ben's
Okay.
doing.
Well, wouldn't he have gone back after, or he might still be in town?
No, he said he gave me the card. It's Arizona, and so I'm going to phone him.
All right, shoot.
Number one.
Okay, no, it's all 9 first.
Okay, number
Okay.
one. 602
Okay.
264
Okay.
1565.
1565.
Yeah.
So you're placing a call.
Get a ring here.
Arizona's next to California. The time
Yeah.
out there.
It's pretty
If his
close.
wife answers the phone, Lardette, this is all yours.
Yeah, that's right.
You handle this. And are they
Is
placing
it
the call?
ring-a-dingy yet there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Uh-oh.
One ring-a-dingies.
Good morning, Ben Brooks and Associates. May I help you?
Hi there. Is Ben home?
This is Donna. Jan's not in tonight. I don't know if he's home or not. I picked up the call.
Oh, where is he?
Pardon?
Where's Ben? See, I want talking to Ben.
You want to talk to Ben?
Ben, yeah.
Okay, well, you can try this. You can try calling him again and see if you can reach him. I won't answer the phone this time.
What time is it? Because see, Ben was Ben was with me in Toronto,
Well, it's 25 after 5. About 20 after 5.
20 after 5
Uh-huh.
in the morning.
Yes, it is.
See, I was out with Ben. He came to Toronto,
Uh-huh.
and we was having big dinner on the CN Tower, and he was whining and dining me, And then all of a sudden, he was gone. I had to pay the bill. You know that?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I was going to phone Ben. Maybe I think he'll go back to Arizona's without paying for the bill. Cost me $300. You know how much the champagne and everything,
Well, I'm sorry, man. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm the answering service.
What's your name?
Pardon me?
What's your name?
My name is Donna, ma'am. I'm an answering. I'm a telephone secretary. I take his calls over the phone. That's all I do.
Does he do this to all the girls?
Pardon me?
Does Ben do this to all the girls?
I have no idea, ma'am. I don't know Ben. I have no idea who he is. I just answer the telephone.
Listen, I give you one piece of advice, okay? Don't go out with him. He'll leave you stuck here in the restaurant.
Ma'am, I'm a happily married woman, thank you. I have 4 children. I'm a happily married woman. I have nothing to do with Ben.
Okay, you got nice husband?
Pardon me?
Have you got a nice husband?
I have a wonderful husband.
What's he doing tonight?
My husband?
Yeah.
My husband is sleeping.
Oh. Do you think he'd like to go out with me?
I doubt it.
Oh.
He's a happily married man. Okay, ma'am, I have to hang up now. I have other work to do, okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
I thought she said a halfway married, but she said happily married. She was very bright for 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah. Boy, wait till I find Ben. He's going to be bright.
Yeah, wait till Ben finds you. Ben, you're going to hear about this when you get home. I'll bet he's still in town because this card was left here in the CN Tower.
Could you imagine? He gets home.
dear.
Where the hell you been?
This dumb chick on the phone said you stiffed her with a whole restaurant bill. Oh, well, too bad that you can get through to Ben. But that's the answering service. And actually, she was quite good. We
Yes.
should have explained what was going on. But
Yeah.
I think...